What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I thought I'd bring my perspective on HCMC, Healthier Choices Management Corp. This has been gaining lots of attention recently, so I thought I'd make a video today just talk about the company and what's going on and what I think might happen and where the price of the stock can go if things do go well and go in the favor of HCMC. So before we touch on pricing and entry level and price targets, I want to talk about the company because always understand you are a fundamental investor and you want to invest in things you believe in because that's how you will make your millions. It's not based off of let me close my eyes and just buy in because everyone else is buying in. No, make your investment choices based off of what makes sense. Okay, so Healthier Choices Management Corp is a U.S. based publicly traded company specializing in providing consumers with healthier alternatives to everyday lifestyle choices. And it goes on to say HCMC owns an intellectual property suite comprised of patents issued in both the US and Canada. These patents have a primary focus on safer vaping technology, as well synthetic or imitation nicotine compositions, processes, and methods of manufacture. HCMC continues to innovate and hopes to expand this suite in the future. So, we see what they are, okay? HCMC, all right, they have 18,000 square feet full service grocery store serving in Florida, and then they have three Paradise Health and Nutrition locations in Melbourne, Florida. So they have a few locations and also vape stores. They have 9 vape stores here across the United States. And then we want to understand what the lawsuit is about, okay? Before I get into all of this and where the price is now, I want to let you guys know what dates to look out for HCMC. So what we do know is HCMC and Philip Morris are in a lawsuit. Philip Morris is being sued for patent infringement of the IQOS vape technology. The settlement date is February 26th this month. In a couple of weeks, we'll find out what happens. So that means that they have the latest. By that date, they have to know what's going to happen, whether it's taking this case to court or paying out the 1.75 billion settlement. So 4 possible outcomes that I think could happen. Okay, Philip Morris settles without a fight, and they pay HCMC 1.75 billion, and this whole thing goes away. There's a chance of this happening. The second one I think that can happen possibly is Philip Morris and HCMC come to an agreement where Philip Morris pays a loyalty type of thing, like per unit sold, and from there they'll add a big chunk of money up front as well to help HCMC continue to grow. Next, I think Philip Morris they can take this to court, and this case can go beyond April, beyond May. It can take a year or 2 years. And if they do lose the court case, HCMC will blow up if they win the case. And that would take more time. That would make you want to be in HCMC for at least maybe a year or maybe a year and a half, depending on how long this case takes to get solved. The fourth thing is Philip Morris just buys out HCMC altogether. The chance of that happening is very, very slim, but I don't count things out. So there's several situations that can happen and take place here. But I do know, for what I've been reading, is HCMC has hired one of the top law firms, Cozen O'Connor, in the patent infringement field. He's really good in that field, so it's an advantage to them, in my opinion. And I'm sure the law firm wouldn't have taken this multi-billion-dollar case if they didn't think there was a chance of them even winning. And also the CEO, Jeffrey Holman, has a law degree, so I'm pretty sure he has lots of knowledge of what can take place if there is hope of them winning this case. And obviously this will lead to their company getting lots of value, and obviously the stock price would jump up quite a lot. So I brought you guys to Yahoo Finance because the current price is 0.0043. We saw it hit point 0.0060. I think it was Wednesday. Came back down, it dipped, came back up. I've been watching this since 0.0015. I currently do hold a small amount in this company because I have, based off the company itself and based off what I'm reading regarding this whole case, I do think that there's a 50-50 shot of them winning this case. And if it does happen, the price target here on Yahoo Finance is $6. So lots of people can become very wealthy if this case goes in favor of HCMC. Now it's just a matter of time. When will it happen? How long will it take? All those good things. So, and there's also some rumors out there saying Philip Morris already took out a $2 billion line of credit, which is huge, and it could be just a coincidence. But if it's not, then they'll probably just pay out HCMC on a settlement, and that's gonna help HCMC a lot. You'll see this stock just take off, in my opinion, and I think that you will see it on StockTwits, you'll see it on Reddit, you'll see it everywhere, you'll see it all over YouTube. So there's so many things that can happen from this, but we will see how things go on the 26th of February, and that will help us really understand the potential of this company. I do my investing based off the research and the findings I get. So if you are wanting to get into HCMC and you have interest in it and see it as a company that can potentially do well, buy into it. If you don't feel that way, then don't get into it, because it's all a risk. And make sure the money you're putting into the stock market is money you're willing to lose. So always have that approach in the way you invest. I am in it. I think that things will go in their favor, but I am not putting my whole life savings into this company because I know for a fact they will win the lawsuit. No, I put a good amount, and I'm confident that this price can go upwards of 50 cents, 60 cents, maybe even $1. And with that, I'll be satisfied. So let me know what you guys think of HCMC. If you guys are getting into it, not getting into it, feel confident regarding the lawsuit, because I think as weeks go on and get closer to the date, we will see the price of this stock probably just shoot up a bit more, especially if people are starting to feel more confident of them winning the lawsuit. So if you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button for me. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.